Searching for the best AC fins comb feels like falling into a rabbit hole. Every listing looks identical. Same plastic combs, same cleaning brushes, same promises about fixing bent fins. But here's the thing, most of these tools either snap under pressure or barely scratch the surface of real grime. The real difference isn't in the photos, it's in how they actually perform when your AC coils are caked in years of dust. Product number 1, BOO Dual Brush Set. First up is the BOO Air Conditioner Condenser Fin Comb, a two-piece metal and plastic combo that costs just $10.28. What caught my eye was the stainless steel construction and the adjustable white buckle that lets you control brush tension. If you want a budget-friendly tool that won't snap on the first use, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The metal bristles are stiff enough to scrape off years of caked-on dirt without bending, unlike cheaper plastic versions. The smaller fin comb measures 5.7 inches and fits standard residential AC units, while the larger brush handles wider coils. It's designed for air conditioners and refrigerators, so if you're maintaining both, this covers your bases. Now some people might complain that the brush head isn't detachable, making deep cleaning between tight fins a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, for routine maintenance, you don't need ultrafine access. And honestly, at this price, having two tools instead of one makes up for that limitation. This is perfect for you if you're doing seasonal AC upkeep and want something sturdy without spending much. Skip this one if your fins are severely bent or you need surgical-level precision. For under $11, it's a solid entry-level pick. Product number 2, Malco FSD2 Pro Tool. Now, if BOO's basic design felt too simple, the Malco FSD2 fin straightening tool takes a completely different approach. This is built like a professional HVAC tool. Priced at $19.29, it's made in the USA from resilient nylon and shaped like a comb with adjustable teeth. If you want precision fin straightening without damaging delicate aluminum fins, this is the one to consider. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's engineered for closely spaced fins, 16 to 22 per inch, which covers most modern AC units. The nylon material won't scratch or gouge soft aluminum, unlike metal tools that can tear fins if you're not careful. It's a single-piece design, so there are no loose parts to lose, and it's lightweight enough to use one-handed. While it doesn't include a cleaning brush, its sole job, straightening bent fins, is done exceptionally well. The downside: it only straightens, no cleaning function, so if your coils are also filthy, you'll need a separate brush. Some users might find that annoying, but here's the thing, specialization beats compromise. If your main issue is bent fins, not dirt, this tool does that one job better than any multi-tool. This is perfect for you if you've got visibly warped fins blocking airflow and you want a precise, damage-free fix. Skip this one if you need all-in-one cleaning and straightening. At $19, it's a niche but high-value tool for targeted repairs. Product number 3, LONCHDAN 10-piece kit. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for people who want everything in one box. The LONCHDAN 10-piece AC fin comb kit for $20.58. This thing comes with 5 different fin combs, a coil brush, a foldable brush, and even a stainless steel cleaner. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ring-mounted combs let you switch between fin sizes instantly, no fumbling with loose pieces. The included stainless steel brush handles heavy grime while the foldable brush gets into tight spots. It works on AC units, fridges, and even car radiators. The kit weighs just 7.7 ounces, so it's easy to store and carry. And with 50+ sales last month, it's gaining traction among DIYers who don't want to buy tools piecemeal. These might not work on modern radiators with ultrafine horizontal fins. The combs are designed for traditional vertical fin layouts. Some users also reported that the plastic combs can wear down over time if used aggressively. But here's the thing, for home AC units, not industrial systems, they're more than adequate. And the variety means you'll always have the right tool for the job. This is perfect for you if you maintain multiple appliances and hate buying single-use tools. Skip this one if you only need to fix one unit occasionally. For $20, it's the best value for comprehensive coverage. Product number 4, SUREPHON 6-in-1 Fin Kit. Now, if LONCHDAN's kit impressed you, the SUREPHON 6 PCS fin cleaner set pushes it further with smarter design. At $21.87, it includes 6 combs on a single ring, a stainless steel straightener, and not one, but 2 specialized brushes, a white coil brush and a blue terry cloth detail brush. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ring system lets you handle 12 different fin pitches by flipping combs around, no extra pieces to lose. The blue cloth brush is genius. It wipes away loosened dust without scratching, something most kits ignore. The stainless steel straightener is thick and rigid, so it won't bend when fixing stubborn fins. Weighing 10.8 ounces, it feels substantial but not heavy. It's ideal for deep seasonal cleanups where you want to restore full airflow. The downside, the plastic combs, while functional, aren't as durable as metal. Heavy use could lead to teeth snapping over time. Some users also noted the lack of a carrying case. Everything just comes loose in the box. But here's the thing, the dual brush system and ring design make up for those small flaws. It's clearly designed by someone who's actually cleaned AC units. This is perfect for you if you do thorough AC maintenance and appreciate smart, user-friendly design. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need occasional use. At $22, it's a premium DIY experience. Product number 5, Kobe 2-piece metal set. Finally, the Kobe 2 PCS air conditioner fin comb brings us back to simplicity, but with a twist. Also priced at $10.28, it's nearly identical in cost to the BOO set, but it emphasizes durability with full stainless steel construction. If you want a no-nonsense, long-lasting tool that won't break like plastic, this is a sleeper hit. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The metal comb won't shred like plastic when hitting tough bends. It slices through debris and straightens fins in one pass. The brush is smooth and rigid, so it cleans without snagging. It's compact, 6.89 inches long and lightweight, just 2.64 ounces, making it easy to maneuver in tight outdoor units. It's suitable for ACs, fridges, and even computer radiators, so it's surprisingly versatile for the price. The flaw: only 2 tools, no variety in fin sizes or brush types. If your unit has unusual fin spacing, this might not fit perfectly. Some users also wished for a grip handle since the bare metal can feel slippery when wet. But here's the thing, for basic cleaning and light straightening, it outperforms its price tag. It's the kind of tool you'll still have in 5 years. This is perfect for you if you want durability over features and hate replacing cheap tools. Skip this one if you need multiple fin sizes or detailed cleaning. For $10, it's a steal and honestly the best budget pick here. So which AC fin comb should you buy? If you're on a budget, go with Kobe. It's tough, simple, and lasts. Need precision straightening? Malco FSD2 is the pro choice. Want everything in one kit? LONCHDAN or SUREPHON offer great value, with SUREPHON edging ahead for its smart brush design. BOO is decent but outclassed by Kobe at the same price. Remember, clean fins mean better cooling, lower bills, and a longer-lasting AC. Pick the tool that matches your needs and actually use it.